the vowel O makes the short O sound and long O sound. Now look at the short O sound. In these examples, the vowel O can make the short vowel O sound. O, O, clock. O, O, box. O, O, block. O, O, dot. O, O, otter. O, O, octopus. O, O, rock. O, O, hot. O, O, pot. O, O, stop. O, O, frog. O, O, toys. O, O, popcorn. O, O, omelette. O, O, toddler. Now look at the long O sound. In these examples, the vowel O can make the long vowel O sound. O, O, road. O, O, phone. O, O, bone. O, O, pole. O, O, clothes. O, O, poster. O, O, projector. O, O, notebook. O, O, donut. O, O, oatmeal. O, O, hole. O, O, rose. O, O, gold. O, O, robe. O, O, coal. Thank you for watching. I hope you are having fun. Remember, learning can be fun and easy. See you in next video with short and long sounds of the vowel U.